Hello dear students, welcome in your GK class. Before starting today's class, let's see what's the date today. So today's date is 25th February. Okay, and we have already completed the GK course. This is your GK book. You all are having this book and we have done the GK course completed, and then we have done the worksheets also, which are attached at the back of the book. See here, the worksheets are there and we have done the worksheets, as well as I have taken one test regarding the worksheets. So overall your GK syllabus is done, but one thing is left. What is left? That is the project. So in today's class, first I will discuss about the project, because many students were asking me, ma'am, what is the project, what you have to do. I thought to make a video so that you can clearly understand what you have to do in your project. Okay, the project is very simple. You don't need any file page or anything else. You have to do it in the book itself. Where? Okay, I will tell you. Open page number 46. See, open page number 46 and 47. This is your book. See, open this page. Story time. The heading story time is written here. You can see. Open this, and today we are going to discuss about this. This is your project. That is page number 46. That is story time. Okay, so what you have to do here, see, you have to look at the given pictures from a favorite Panchatantra story and write the story briefly in your own words. See here, some pictures are given. You can see the book. Some pictures are given. You can see some pictures are given, and I know every one of you know this story. This is the story from the famous book Panchatantra. And you know who has written Panchatantra? Panchatantra is written by the famous writer Vishnu Sharma. Okay. So one thing you came to know, Panchatantra. It is written by Vishnu Sharma. There are many stories in Panchatantra. So after your exams get over, if you are having the book Panchatantra, you can read from it, or you can see it on the internet, or if you can purchase, you can purchase. It's good for reading purpose. Okay, you will get many morals from this story Panchatantra. So let's continue back here. This is the story from Panchatantra, and what is the story? You can see here what the picture is showing. A woodcutter is there. He is cutting the tree, and then his axe fell in the water or the river here. After that, what happened? See this part. He gives one or the other axe to the woodcutter. The fairy from the river gives axe, one silver axe, then golden axe. Then what happened? The honest woodcutter said, no, this is not mine, this is not mine. Then the fairy comes with the original axe, that is the axe which is made from iron. So this is the story, and by seeing the honesty of this woodcutter, the fairy has given all the 3 axes to the to the woodcutter. So this is the story which I have explained you in short, and you have to write this story here. You don't have to make any file, no project file, nothing. You have to write this story here, and you will send me between 1 to 2 p.m. at my WhatsApp number. Okay. one more thing, it is not necessary that today my class is there, so today only you will send. No, you can take 1 week time. You can write it neatly and clearly. One more thing, you have to write by your own and in your own words. No one will dictate you, not your mother, not the tutor. No one will dictate you the story, and you will write it in your own words. I have explained you the story. Now you have to write it down. Okay, this is the project work, that's it. And one more thing, when you are sending me the project, write your name also, in not here, write your name, that yes, my name is this and I am sending this project, because there are many students. Now how will I know which student has sent me the project and which student has not sent? So you have to write your name also. Is it clear? Now the project part is clear to you, I hope. Now coming to your lessons, exam lessons, what are the chapters you know? We have discussed all the chapters and we have the videos for all the chapters. You can watch the previous videos and you can means complete your work if you have not done. In today's means after this video, today I am going to send you the pictures also of all the lessons, so that you can tally your answers from it. If you have not done or if you have missed any chapter by chance, so you can complete your work. Okay, that's it. That's all, dear students. Please start learning and do your project work neatly and clearly. Okay, thank you students and have a nice day.